Why should you choose Ruby on Rails for web development? Ruby on Rails is a famous framework. These days companies are inclined towards Ruby on Rails web development because of its features and advantages like security, faster processing, flexibility, etc. This Model View Controller (MVC) enabled framework facilitates the creation of custom web, mobile, and other applications. It is an object-oriented programming language with built-in testing tools that guarantee data security. Let's begin with some characteristics of ROR. Ensures fast and effective development. It saves time and money. Backed by a powerful and active community. Data-driven. Builds data-driven and highly efficient web applications. Ajax and REST design Web 2.0 apps with rich quality features. Being a web development framework, it is aptly used in e-commerce websites, fintech, social media platforms, video streaming applications and other related businesses and startups. Some famous companies using ROR for web and app development are Airbnb, Basecamp, Crunchbase, GitHub, Shopify, Twitter. Now, let's discuss why you should consider ROR for web and app development. Leverage the best Ruby on Rails web development practices. Ruby on Rails emphasis on representational state transfer, REST, which revolves around leveraging existing HTTP verbs rather than inventing new ones. REST is well liked by programmers due to its simplicity of use and superiority in terms of web application design. The don't repeat yourself or dry philosophy, which works to prevent software patterns from being repeated, is also used by Ruby on Rails. As a result, the code is cleaner and has fewer bugs, reduce overall Ruby on Rails web development time. ROR is adored by developers because it makes it easier to complete routine chores when building websites and applications. Its simplicity and ease of use actually shorten the time it takes a developer to construct a solution in the language. An abundance of gems to simplify Ruby on Rails web development. The vast library of gems that is offered by Ruby on Rails is essentially reusable code that is available on the Ruby server within a well-organized hierarchy of files. Avoiding the need to start from scratch when writing specific types of code saves you a ton of time. Leverage agile web development with Rails. Ruby on Rails makes use of the agile software development approach, which divides a task into manageable sprints of work. Agile development focuses on one component at a time, testing and fine-tuning before going on to the next step, producing a better program with fewer defects and errors. Automated testing becomes easier with Ruby on Rails web development tools. Web development solutions built using Ruby on Rails are very simple to test. Auto tests can be easily written and executed. You can create auto tests in Capybara that mimic user behavior. You can test code using each of these automation testing tools while it is being developed, which will save the project a ton of time and money. Now that you know how advantageous this language is, you always have a reliable and budget-friendly option to hire the best ROR experts. Ruby may be your best option if you're unsure about which programming language to choose for your new project. Hire the top 3% of ROR experts from Optymize and leverage the benefits of this language. Contact us at